So I'm going to be crossing from around here and then tap on the other road. Wow. It's a bit busy. I can go here. So this is the road to Jinja. It takes you up to the Kenyan border. That is around Busia. And this is how narrow it is. Well, they're going to be introducing the Jinja Expressway. I think it will have all this solved. Look at the border guy is taking on the wrong side. They're happily taking on the wrong side. So I'll be taking on the old, is this the old? The Port Bell Road, let me call it the Port Bell Road up to Luzira. Hopefully you stick around and watch to the very end. A lot has changed, that's all I can tell you. So let's continue. Most of these parts aren't new. We shall be skipping them up to around the bridge. I want to show you the bridge around here. Then I can continue towards Kitintale. Meanwhile, like the video as we approach this area. Most of the people around here are students of the university. Working onto a water channel that will be dropping water this other side. That one. We had a smaller structure here and now we have a huge one. I think in future if the train is to have, let me say, 2 railways, that they would even be built here and they would fit very well. So this is how huge it is. It took them some time to put together or to bring to life this whole project. So all the lanes of the road are going to be passing over this. Wow. This is how it looks like. And people are already using up. So this other side down, it's supposed to be the train that passes this way. Also the people that use this very route to the sides of Naguru and that other side. This is the overpass. The road passes that other side up. It's a combination of beams running the other side. That's it. So I think most of the works here are done. Oh, not yet done, because they need to put a shield over this other side, but that is not that much work. Finally, there is a difference from what it looked like in the beginning. Waiting for your comments. That is it. So let's continue downwards towards Kitintale. I think we shall be going up to around what is it called? Up to around Luzira, the town. So this is the whole structure of the bridge. They haven't put concrete the other side, but they've put concrete here. And this is the one that is in space, where I'm stepping right now. So it's a huge one. It's going to be, I think, having a middle part. So crazy. You need to be extra careful in Kampala. So I think I can take on this other side. Now I can clearly say this place is also wide enough. See the culverts. Wide enough. And the road is wide enough too. So here it will be carrying 2-2. So this road and the previous video, this road are going to be a dual carriage. They're supposed to be carrying 2 cars this way, 2 cars going the other side, according to the KCCA spokesperson. This is Bugolobi. The dust is too much around here. And I see they also tarmacked the other side. So these are a few of the parts that they are tarmacking. So they don't tarmac, they have not tarmacked from, let me say, the beginning to the end. They've tarmacked parts. Hope they join it very well. I'm going to take you up to around where they've tarmacked again. Border guys, just be like, let me put my head. What comes, comes. Crossing, see how I cross the roads, and then get a motorcycle for the remaining parts. motorbike. I don't really know how I look like because of the dust, but let me just show you. We are around Kitintale. This is where I have Kitintale market. So the small racks that we've seen on the border come up to this other side. See that huge watermelon? Another one right there. So the watermelons are grown locally here, and the pineapples, those aren't imported. It's the mangoes that are brought in from Kenya. The Kenyan variety is what most people here enjoy. This is a market, Kitintale market. So the road is now wider and a bit organized than the previous time we were here. Let's walk a distance and then go. We shall be getting another taxi back. I've already put the lids of the connectors. This is Kitintale. It has given chance to people to build new structures like this one. So the old drainage channel is that, and this is the new one. We are literally walking over the new drainage channel, which is a bit bigger than the one that was here initially. You can clearly see they were trying to even remove the silting and the soil that had blocked it. So I think they're about to start laying the final stones around here as well, whenever they reach that stage. endisi nabagwa. So I've come up to Luzira, the town. This is where we are, and this is Luzira, the town. And I've also done some stone-based compaction, water compaction around here, meaning any time from now they're going to be tarmacking it. Unfortunately, it ends from somewhere in front there, and I'll be ending around here, take one of these taxis and then go back. Drop your comments. Let me know what you think about this video. So I'll be ending here. Thank you very much for watching. Till another time, remember to subscribe to the channel, enable the bell button. I'm out. Peace.